Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you two alternative exercises for the hack squat machine. Now with gyms closing down everywhere, people are going home and looking for alternative exercises. So if you're looking to hit the front, the quads, then I'm going to show you two alternatives for the hack squat machine. Of course, having a hack squat machine at home wouldn't be practical just because of the fact that they're going to take up a lot of space. Most home gyms don't have a lot of space, and they're also going to be very expensive. So let's go on to the alternatives. Number one, what we're going to do is we're going to do a barbell hack squat. So very simple, load up a barbell like you normally would. Now instead of standing behind the barbell like you would in a deadlift, what we're going to do is we're going to stand in front of the barbell. And by doing that, what we're doing now is we're placing a lot of stress on the quads because you have to go up and make this a very quad dominant exercise. Okay, so make sure you warm up before you do this so you have a lot of hip mobility because it's going to require you to get really low. Now once you get in front of the bar, what you want to do is get very close to almost having your calves touching the barbell. Then you're going to get real low, keep your spine straight, and then lift up. And then when you get to the top, make sure you maintain that proper posture, and then come back down. And again, repeat it again. There you go, and you're going to feel that directly in the quad. So that's the barbell squat. And always make sure you keep that spine straight, okay? Now the second one is going to be the landmine hack squat, and I'm going to set that up right now. So for this exercise, you're going to set it up the same way you would set up the landmine for any other exercise, and then you're going to go over here to the plate side. And the only difference here is that instead of facing the landmine, you're going to face away, put the barbell over your shoulders. Then you're going to step forward a little bit, creating almost like a 45-degree angle with your legs. And then you're squatting down and pushing back up. Squatting down, pushing back up. Just like that. You're going to definitely feel that on your quads. And both of those exercises are going to replace the hack squat machine. So there you have it, guys. Two different alternative exercises for the hack squat machine. They're both going to hit the quads, and it's going to replace something that's going to be taking up too much space if you had it at your home gym. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And for gym hacks, DIYs, garage gym equipment reviews, make sure you head over to my website, shreddeddad.com.